Morning. I am going to present the topic models for the execution of some effective management techniques for managing global teams. In this, there are two types of software development life cycle model. One is predictive, another one is adaptive. In the predictive software development life cycle model contains four models: waterfall, iterative, spiral, and V-shaped. In the adaptive software development life cycle model contains three models: Scrum, XP, and Kanban. In the waterfall software development life cycle model is a linear sequential approach to the software development life cycle. It is popular in software engineering and product development. The waterfall model uses a logical progression of software development life cycle steps for the project. It sets distinct goals for each phases of development. Then next one is waterfall model. It contains 7 stages: requirement analysis, design, coding and implementation, testing, operation and development, and maintenance. In the first stage, requirement. Potential requirements, deadlines and guidelines for the project are analyzed and placed into a formal requirement document. Next one is analysis. The system specifications are analyzed to generate product models and business logic to guide production. Then design. A design specification document is created to outline technical design requirements. Next, coding and implementation. The source code is developed using the models, logic and requirement specification design in the phases. Next, testing. This is when quality assurance unit, system and test identify issues that must be resolved. Then next one is operation and deployment. The product or application is fully functional and is deployed to a live environment. Next one, final one is maintenance. Corrective, adaptive and perfective maintenance is carried out indefinitely to improve, update and enhance the product and its functionality. Next model is iterative software development lifecycle model. The iterative model resembles a waterfall model. In the waterfall case, all the functions will be thoroughly planned during the requirement, analysis and design phases, and then steadily implemented during the development stage. The iterative model is quite different. That is, it implies that the whole process is divided into a number of iterations, and during each of them, developers build a limited number of features. So the iterative software development lifecycle model does not require a complete list of requirements before the project starts. Next one is spiral software development lifecycle model. Spiral model is a combination of the iterative and waterfall software development lifecycle model with a significant action on the risk analysis. The main issue of the spiral model is defining the right moment to take a step into the next stage. The preliminary set time frames are recommended as the solution to this issue. The shift to the next stage is done according to the plan. The plan is introduced based on the statistical data received in the last project and even from the personal developer's experience. Next one is V-shaped software development lifecycle model. It's Primary priorities are verification and validation. Stages positioned along the left axis display the verification phase, and the ones on the right are responsible for validation. The goal of verification is to determine whether the software is consistent with the initial technical requirements. Validation should confirm whether the product corresponds to the business needs, whether it serves its intended purpose. Next one is iterative or agile software development model. It is a philosophy, not a specific development approach. It is a whole family of methodology, that is Scrum, Kanban, XP, that is extreme programming. Then Scrum and XP. The Scrum is a project management methodology. XP is a development technique. Extreme program contains methods targeting specifically the technical side of the software development process. They include continuous integration, pair programming, test-driven developments, etc. Scrum in turn is oriented towards the organization of the process. Kanban. Kanban is another realization of Agile. The status of Kanban are requested, in progress, done. These are the progress of this. The range of status in Kanban is less expensive, but it is sufficient to keep up with the software development process. Okay, thank you.